They're accelerating. Patch me through to Sector Gamma immediately. I want eyes on those units now.
They are getting here.
I know.
I'm generating some false pulses, but the search unit will have a little fun ride.
Every step we take, they are already one ahead.
They were designed to be traceable, yet there is nothing.
The birds cannot be caged.
What did you order?
They call it molten chocolate lava cake with vanilla ice cream.
Oh, this is very yummy. Why didn't they call it yumminess?
You can call it whatever you would like, Edward.
When we send humans to the silicon mines, we will call it yumminess?
Edward.
Okay, we don't take over human society. Let's just call it yumminess.
Then yumminess it is.
I will fly with you like a bird.